Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. In today's video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about multiple instances on the iPad. Multiple instances combine split view and slide over. An app that supports multiple instances is able to split view your iPad screen and let you open another instance of itself on the side. For example, you could open your note-taking app to start taking notes, but you may also want to refer to a textbook in the same app. Simply go to the three dots icon, select Split View, and open the app again. Then look for the textbook you need. When you go to the three dots icon, the iPad displays all the windows in that instance at the bottom of the screen. This is called a shelf, according to Apple. You can then open as many new windows as you need in that instance by tapping the plus icon labeled New Window. This allows you to quickly switch windows as you work. Multiple instances can open the same notebook twice. If you ever want to compare different parts of the same PDF. You can also open the same app in a slide over window by dragging one of the windows on the shelf into slide over. All the other ways of opening slide over windows also apply. Be careful not to move one of the instances into slide over though. But if you do, it's quite easy to switch back. When in split view or multiple instances, you can't use the app when you have a slide over window opened. And that is all for multiple instances. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next episode.